Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset LG dishwasher CL code, disable child lock and reset control panel. To clear the CL code on your LG dishwasher, you simply need to turn off the child lock feature. CL is a safety setting, not an error code, and it completely disables all buttons on the control panel except for the power button. Now, how to disable child lock? Make sure the dishwasher is turned on, then press and hold the designated button combination for 3 to 5 seconds until the CL text disappears from the display lock. Look for a small padlock symbol or a bracket labeled control lock printed between the keys on your panel. Then use specific combination below that matches your model. Option 1, which is most common. Press and hold dual zone for 3 seconds. Option 2, press and hold half load and energy saver simultaneously. Option 3, press and hold rinse and spray simultaneously. Option 4, press and hold delay start and night dry simultaneously. Now, how to hard reset the control panel? If the CL code remains frozen or the buttons do not respond, you can clear the control board's memory with a hard electrical reset. First, switch off the dishwasher circuit breaker or unplug it. Then keep the power completely disconnected for 5 minutes and turn the circuit breaker or outlet power back on. After that, turn the dishwasher on and test the panel. What to check if CL won't clear? If the code still refuses to turn off after a reset, you may be dealing with a hardware issue. Wipe down the panel with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Grease or moisture on the surface can mimic a constant button press and freeze the controls. Faulty door switch. If the dishwasher door latch is broken or registering as open, the system will prevent you from changing settings or turning off the lock. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.